good morning. Thursday morning. Today's the day she's in the box. So we're gonna go to TKM, get this thing tuned, and see what she makes. Hopefully we don't have issues. Try to be as prepared as I could possibly be. You know, continuously adding things to the checklist in the phone, checking them off this morning, making sure we're good to go. Got a whole case of water. It's supposed to be 94 degrees today, the temperature, not including the heat index. And the crazy thing is then tomorrow it's gonna be, it's gonna drop way down. I think, like, I don't even wanna make it up, but there's a cold front moving in, so it's gonna be way cooler tomorrow. So it's gonna be a hot one to be on the road, be on the dyno, but we'll get through it, and then we'll get back at cracking at the shop tomorrow. So y'all join us for the ride. I don't know how much filming I'll be able to get the wife to help, and get Brandon to help, you know, see what we can make happen. So let's do this thing. All right, what's up, y'all? We are up here at the dyno finally. So we've got the car unloaded. We've already made a lot of progress going through stuff, coming down the to-do list, getting it ready. Kevin's in the computer, figuring out a lot of that stuff, and the boys are running through doing plugs, all that kind of stuff. So we're about to get started. Let's fingers crossed that this goes smooth and that we don't blow this thing up or break too much stuff. If we had time, I was gonna see if we could get E85 tune and X92. But if not, I understand. I mean, X90 is probably the most important. I was just thinking with the E85 that it would be street driving it. It's cheaper. It has nothing in it right now, so we can start either way you want. That's what I figured you want to do.
I'm sure I smelled it. It's good note.
For like 3 minutes, and then we cut it off. We can't hear them. And after that,
the daggone propeller in there.
What are you doing?
Trying to torque down these bolts that Courtney didn't even have finger tight.
They were a little loose.
This is good footage.
Yeah. They were basically falling out.
When I fixed that leak, that
Cool.
might mess up what we just did in the computer.
Good footage.
Probably overcompensated. I'm gonna get this one right here because this one's gotta be done by hand with a freaking wrench.
What's that?
This cool pack.
What size is it?
8 for the coal packs. And then Mike, I chunked the spark plug plugs in that bag. Did you see them? I'm guessing.
Yeah, one of these spark plugs are used.
They've been used.
That's all roughly. Yeah.
Anything magnetic? Like 10 years ago?
Yeah. It's a holly harness. It's all holly. Yeah. Taking the spark plugs out because these have been covered in fuel, so they're probably not the most healthiest.
So start squirting fuel out of those? No?
Hope not.
Pressurized?
Can you grab
This new one is like double the spark gap.
Yeah, let's see what it is compared to these.
Are they pre-gapped and you're not supposed to really change anything?
From NG, that's what NGK,
So
they
you
don't
combine the
want you
different gaps, I guess?
that, I don't know.
How do you get the plugs out of the head?
That's about right.
make sure you got this.
See, there is another number of this NGK that has a tighter gap, and that might be the number of skinny gap.
Well, this is what he just pulled out. And you see how tight that gap is.
Yeah, now there's about twice.
Yeah. That might be a little bit tighter.
Cornbread, did you re-gap your brisk when you put them in? What'd you go down to? But yeah, there is another NGK number that
Every time
is
Kevin asks
a
me
tighter
what
gap, I know.
Jack's not having,
That might be what that one right there is.
that's what I know.
Yeah, I don't know what number skinny gap.
It was always 0, no coolant temperature sensor, and then as soon as we turned it over for a while, then it started like creeping up and it started reading. But I know for a fact there was no forward temperature sensor in the car at all. My eyes don't want any dirt on it.
Double O ring.
Don't add nothing to that section at all.
I'll trust you once.
The house can ride the bracket.
Yeah,
just to be safe.
Well, you just need to, this will be flush.
Everything is Procharged, so I don't understand why it won't be. You know?
Well, it's sitting there.
But see, I think every single, because that is just if you index it different. Every single bolt will have that same cross on it. I'd rather just grind the bracket.
That's it here as well.
Do you want to film it?
What are you doing over there?
Why do you have ear protection and I don't? I need it. You know how pissed off I'm gonna be if
Oh, I don't want my ears.